As sparks fly in Westminster, business in the southeast is calling for clarity. MJ Allen, foundry and metal machinist in Ashford, do a third of their business with firms in the EU.
The most important thing we're calling for is clarity. We need to know where we're headed with our business, and just as importantly, we need to reassure our customers that we're going to be able to supply them. They have a choice. They can come to me or just as easily go to a company in Poland or the Czech Republic. So I need to reassure them that we will be able to supply without problems. Sending goods into Europe is a major part of our business. It's a third of our turnover, and I need that turnover to protect the jobs of my employees.
Employing more than 100 people, they make parts for the medical, defence and automotive industries. Tim Allen says they need to offer their customers reassurance about the future or risk losing them. It's only a few weeks. You must have customers right now in Europe deciding whether to give you orders.
We absolutely do have customers questioning whether or not using a UK foundry is the right place to be.
Businesses are very good, we can adapt, but we need to know what is the landscape we're adapting to. Business need clarity on everyday questions, and I think now is the time that government needs to stop all this political manoeuvring and just get on and deliver a Brexit and start to give some clarity to the business community.
The heat is on in Westminster. Business says it will adapt, just provide some answers. Sarah Saunders, ITV News, Ashford.